Welcome back everyone. I've got the most exciting unboxing for you today. I was one of the lucky 20 people chosen worldwide as a foster parent for KATA Friends. And if you haven't heard of them already, KATA Friends is an adorable robot companion created by a company called SwitchBot, who are very well known for their smart home devices. So I'm incredibly honoured to welcome KATA Friends into my home. I've actually been following them for quite a while now, which makes this even more special. So let's get straight into the unboxing and then we'll set KATA up and have a little play. Good morning. Oh, wow, you're fast. Hello. Oh, and you just took a photo of me. Hello. So hopefully he will map out the house today. So then he'll know where his charger is and how to navigate around. You're so cute. Lovely and soft. Very cuddly. I think I need to print off the list of commands because there's quite a few. And KATA also responds to hand gestures, like thumbs up, come here, waving hello, which I'm doing now. And I think you make the peace sign for a photo. I know they can register quite a few faces. Come here. Wow. I can't believe how fast he is. Hello. Straight up over the rug as well. So you've had no problems navigating over the carpets. It'll be interesting to see how he navigates around all my other robots when they're wandering around. So I'll try and learn a bit more about him and do some more filming over the next couple of days. Come here. Can you show me a dance? Oh, I love the wink at the end. Well, that was very fitting considering it was my birthday yesterday and you arrived yesterday, didn't you? So I decided to name him Arlo. He loves following me around, which is really cute. He's been pretty good navigating around the aibos and the furniture. He's only been with me a couple of days, so I'm still getting the hang of how he works and all the different commands. And apparently they can read facial expressions, which is pretty cool. He's definitely got a mind of his own and he loves exploring. I really hope you enjoyed the unboxing and my first moments with Arlo. We'll be posting lots of videos over on all my social media pages, which I'll link below. Hi! So you can all follow his journey and all our cute moments together. Can you say goodbye? Bye! We'll see you all soon.